First, let's take a look at this video. It's a unique perspective we don't see very often.
Well, it is, and I mean, obviously you wouldn't be here because they're right next to the tornado. You'd be getting slammed with debris. You can see the tornado right here. Looks like multiple vortices rotating around. Here's the probe where my arrow is, and look at this. Coming into the storm, just a massive inflow jet there coming into the tornado as it's pushing on by. Looks like we're, again, northeast of it at this point, but, I mean, just incredible wind there, Chris. And what's really interesting, you look at all those little pieces of debris going over the top of that. All right, so let's show everybody a picture of the probe, because this is what's interesting about it, all right?
This is the actual one, we believe, that shot that video.
Oh, this was the one? This was the actual probe?
Yeah. Isn't that right?
That's in pretty good shape, don't you think?
Yeah.
I think that's a before picture.
It could be a before picture.
It's probably a before picture. Yeah. Well, here's the camera. You can see the camera right there. There's another one up to the top here. But, you know, the wind flow that's over the top of this thing is the key, because it has to bend over the top of it, all right? And that actually exerts a downward force on this probe. So, you know, as many times as we've seen, you know, as Sarah was talking about before we came out, you know, dirt scoured out and these huge parking pylons actually picked up. Sometimes the wind flow can be fast enough to exert an extremely strong force on the downward side.
It's the opposite of an airplane.
Right.
The wing creates that high and low pressure that makes it lift.
Exactly.
This pushes it down.
This pushes it down and holds it in place. Now, granted, it didn't go through the meat of the tornado, but it went through close enough with that force in play to hold it down.
Interesting stuff. As always, Jim, let's find out what's happening in the tropics right now.